Hi, Roxanne here. Well, it's Thursday and it's July 2nd. Got 2 more days before 4th of July. And I thought, what a great way to celebrate this holiday week is with a grill. So I decided to go in and take a look and see what I can find because I'm in the mood for a little barbecue. All right. I ran into the Home Depot because Target already had their summer stuff already packed up. So I had to run over to the Home Depot and I bought a grill. Yeah, I got a really nice one too. It was on sale. I love it when something's on sale. All right, here we go. Got some charcoal. Got this little charcoal baby. Going into Aldi's to get some chicken, and barbecue sauce, possibly some corn on the cob. Oh yeah. Well, as you know, I got a grill. And right now I'm waiting for the coals to cook. Almost there. I'm gonna cook some chicken and corn on the cob. All right, I got the food on. Look at that. It's gonna be so good. It's a new grill. I'm pretty sure the chicken's gonna stick to it. Now I'm just gonna sit here and wait for the chicken to cook. And then I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce to it because I think that it'll make it taste delicious. And the corn on the cob, I'm gonna shuck it. Yep. So far, so good. It's Friday and I got my red, white, and blue on. I had to switch out my dress because I didn't want it to catch on fire. So, you know. Anyways. Alright, here we go. We're going to put some barbecue sauce on the little chickens. Hi. You just gotta make sure you get it all over the chicken. When I was at the country fair, I got an alien, and he's so much fun. He's tie-dyed, which reminds me this one time with all the good barbecue sauce. It was early before my coffee. I was outside with my dogs. They were using the bathroom. It was still dark out. I'm looking out there towards the trees, and all of a sudden I see this light up in the sky. And I'm looking, I'm like, what the heck is that? Don't look like a plane because it was flying around all kind of crazy and all that. Hi. And well, I was standing there watching it. The light would go in and it would go out. And then it would be over here, and then it would be over there. And I started to get real scared. So I ran back inside, and I grabbed my camera. Because I was like, by God, I'm going to catch this on camera. So I'm standing out on the porch, shaking and trembling. Hi. And then all of a sudden I realized that I just was imagining things because it was an airplane. Or was it? I don't know if it was an airplane. Could have been fake. Yeah, I came back inside. My daughter's, she said, what is wrong with you? I said, I think I seen an alien. I never been laughed so hard out of the kitchen. Last time I tell her anything. This corn on the cob, it sure is good. That's what you call country breakfast. They just add a little honey and butter. Sure is good. Look at that. Now that look there, that looks good. Oh yeah. Next time your little kid's out there whining, crying, saying they're hungry, just chuck them the corn on the cob at them. They'll be happy. They'll be gnawing on this thing for at least 30 minutes. Oh yeah. You know, that alien that I got is big. It's like 4 foot tall. And I thought, oh my God, this would be so funny if I hung it from my ceiling fan. Well, I did. And he kind of was twirling. And I fell asleep. And I woke up and I thought, oh. And I thought, like, there was like a ghost in my room. And I froze. And then I was like, oh, that's right. I forgot. I have an alien hanging from my ceiling fan. Hi, Roxanne here, and it's the 4th of July. I made it all the way to the end of the week. I've been doing a little tailgating every day for the 4th. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Don't forget you can find me on Vargo Travels YouTube, Vargo Travels on TikTok, and Hybrid Hippie on Instagram. Don't forget to drop a comment. Thanks. Bye. I'll show you. Here we go. Oh. There we go.